Schedule your meditation at the same time each day. Choose a time that is convenient for you and try to stick to it every day. This will help create a routine and make it easier to maintain your meditation practice. Find a quiet place. Choose a peaceful and quiet location where you won't be disturbed during your meditation. This will help you concentrate and achieve a deeper state of relaxation. Turn off your phone. Turn off your phone or put it on silent mode to avoid any distractions or interruptions during your meditation. Choose a comfortable posture. Choose a comfortable position for your body that you can maintain for the duration of your meditation practice. This can be sitting cross-legged or lying down. Set a timer. Use a timer to help you keep track of time during your meditation. This will prevent you from constantly checking the clock and help you focus on your practice. Start with short sessions. Start with short meditation sessions of 5 to 10 minutes and gradually increase the time as you get more comfortable with the practice. Meditate before breakfast. Meditating before breakfast can be a great way to start your day and set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Meditate before bedtime. Meditating before bedtime can help you relax and prepare for a good night's sleep. Meditate in the morning. Meditating in the morning can help you start your day with a clear and focused mind. Meditate in the evening. Meditating in the evening can help you let go of the stresses of the day and prepare for a peaceful night's sleep. Meditate after exercise. Meditating after exercise can help you relax and unwind, and can also enhance the benefits of your exercise. Meditate in nature. Meditating in nature can be a great way to connect with your surroundings and achieve a deeper sense of relaxation. Meditate during your lunch break. Meditating during your lunch break can be a great way to recharge your batteries and reduce stress during a busy day. Meditate during your commute. Meditating during your commute can be a great way to start your day or unwind after a long day at work. Meditate with a group. Meditating with a group can be a great way to connect with others and deepen your practice. Use guided meditations. Guided meditations can be a great way to help you stay focused and achieve a deeper state of relaxation. Meditate with music. Meditating with calming music can help you relax and create a peaceful atmosphere. Use aromatherapy. Aromatherapy can be a great way to enhance your meditation practice. Choose scents that promote relaxation and tranquility. Meditate after a warm bath or shower. Meditating after a warm bath or shower can be a great way to relax your body and mind. Be patient and persistent. Meditation takes time and practice, so be patient with yourself and don't give up. With time, you will begin to see the benefits of your meditation practice.